Welcome to Bike Review Pro, where machines meet motion and every detail tells a story. Today, we dive into the rugged soul of an American classic reborn for a new era, the 2026 Coleman CT200U. Purpose-built, unapologetically tough, and engineered for pure mechanical simplicity, this machine is all about freedom, durability, and raw riding character. Front view. From the front, the 2026 Coleman CT200U delivers an unmistakably bold stance. The wide handlebars stretch outward with confidence, giving the bike a commanding posture that instantly communicates control and stability. The round headlamp sits proudly at the center, a timeless design element that blends retro charm with functional intent. Chunky front forks and a fat front tire complete the look, signaling that this machine is ready to take on uneven ground without hesitation. Back view. Moving to the rear, the CT200U maintains its rugged personality. The compact tail section keeps things clean and purposeful, while the rear tire mirrors the front with an aggressive, trail-ready profile. A sturdy rear frame structure emphasizes strength and durability, built to handle rough riding conditions and repeated use. Everything here feels intentional, nothing excessive, nothing fragile. Full body view. Seen as a whole, the 2026 Coleman CT200U is a perfect balance of simplicity and muscle. Its low-slung profile keeps the center of gravity grounded, making it approachable yet capable. The exposed mechanical elements give it an honest, industrial look, a bike that doesn't hide what it is. This is a machine designed to be used, not just admired. Second full view. From another angle, the CT200U reveals its compact proportions and smart design layout. The frame geometry is tight and efficient, contributing to easy handling and confident maneuverability. Every component feels well integrated, reinforcing the idea that this bike is built with function leading the way, followed closely by style. Left side view. On the left side, the bike's mechanical layout comes into focus. The frame lines flow smoothly from front to rear, while the seat sits at an accessible height, offering comfort and control. The minimalist approach continues here. Fewer distractions, more focus on the ride itself. This side of the CT200U highlights its user-friendly nature and practical engineering. Right side view. The right side reinforces the CT200's tough character. The exhaust routing adds a visual edge, hinting at the power and sound waiting to be unleashed. Everything is positioned with purpose, ensuring balance and reliability during real-world riding. It's a design that values longevity just as much as performance. Engine and performance view. At the heart of the 2026 Coleman CT200U lies a proven, dependable engine built for consistent performance. This power unit is tuned for strong low-end torque, delivering smooth acceleration and reliable output across varied terrain. The air-cooled design keeps things simple and efficient, reducing complexity while maximizing durability. Whether cruising on open paths or tackling uneven surfaces, the CT200U responds with confidence and control. Continuous narration. Additional image sequence, 33 images. As the camera transitions through the next sequence, the details begin to tell a deeper story. The frame welds show precision and strength, built to endure demanding conditions. The tires, thick and aggressively patterned, promise grip where the pavement ends. The handlebars feel wide and reassuring, offering leverage and stability in every turn. The seat design balances comfort and control, allowing the rider to stay planted during longer rides. Metal finishes reflect durability, resisting wear and tear while maintaining a rugged aesthetic. Each fastener, bracket, and joint reinforces the CT200's no-nonsense construction philosophy. The suspension components appear ready to absorb bumps and imperfections with ease. Ground clearance is carefully considered, giving the bike the confidence to venture off the beaten path. The compact wheelbase enhances agility, making tight maneuvers feel natural and intuitive. As the angles continue to change, the bike's proportions remain consistent and purposeful. Nothing feels oversized or underbuilt. Everything exists in harmony. The exposed engine adds visual character, celebrating mechanical authenticity. Lighting elements stay classic and functional, aligning perfectly with the bike's retro-inspired DNA. The overall silhouette remains instantly recognizable, standing out without needing flashy design tricks. This is a bike that earns attention through presence, not noise. The CT200U continues to reveal its versatility with every frame. From recreational riding to light utility use, it adapts effortlessly. Its simplicity invites riders of all experience levels to connect with the machine. As the final images roll, one message becomes clear. This bike is about freedom. Freedom from complexity. Freedom from over-engineering. Freedom to ride, explore, and enjoy the journey.